California. And also by the shores of Santa Monica tonight is the Palisades Riviera Genesis Open. And we're chucking back in on what's going on with that excitement. Oh, my goodness,
and
what
it's
a big show we have tonight. Massive stimulus checks. We'll go over that membership newsletter after stimulus check C, and we'll go over which checks are great. And in the big second half, we'll be jumping into
the brand new
channel. Oh, Lord. My goodness. Have you been watching the new shows all day long? They've been all new all day long, and this chart has this Bitcoin and this Recession have gone from green to red in just a very short period of time. Look at that free fall right now. Absolute massive free fall underway right now, and we'll be jumping into the latest details on this. Treasury yields rising to the highest level in 3 months, potential more rate hikes from the Federal Reserve, what's going on, and also expansion stimulus. What a big show we have tonight, and I'm so excited you are here. We're going to go over first stimulus checks A, B, and C. After stimulus check C, we'll go in that membership newsletter, which is right there. Then we'll go to E to K, L to Q, and it's primetime shows tonight, so we're going to go over those stimulus checks are the $500,000 stimulus, the children's checks, unemployment stimulus checks. It's a big show. Let's go into money right now. The stimulus checks A, B, and C, E to K, L to Q are all this. For 2023, these are law passed by the U.S. government. Single individual 75,000 less, married couple 150,000 less. SSI, SSDI, SSA, veterans, low income. As I go through each of the checks, I'll detail for you which check I like and why I particularly like it. Stimulus check B is 18 months, 5 checks per month, $3,000 across the board. We'll go over each check one at a time. Let's jump into it right now.
Questions about what you see in the
stimulus check A, B, and C.
Stores,
huge. These are ones passed by Joe Biden instead of last year, and they're really quite wonderful.
And I are trying to analyze.
Stimulus check A is a $6,500
of Wall Street Live on LA3
check.
Also,
it's wonderful. The way that laws work is that once they're passed, they remain laws as long as they're still funded. These are all still funded. Stimulus check A is $6,500, $12,000 stimulus check.
Very exciting.
How do you get it? You go to the video, become a member. Go down to stimulus check A in that federal membership newsletter. Stimulus A, and go get that beautiful stimulus check A. $6,500, $12,000 check. Next up is stimulus check B, which I like for a lot of reasons. Because why does this pays you 18 months of beautiful checks, and not 18 months of one check, 18 months of about 5 checks per month. Frank includes to join this channel as a member. Look at that beautiful hawk emoji member logo behind his name. In less than 1 week, what did he get? Approximately 18 months of his mortgage, 18 months of all his utilities, and 18 months of high-speed internet checks every month. Let's add that up. Utilities, let's say he has 5 utility bills. And his mortgage, that's a 6th check. And his high-speed internet, that's a 7th check. That's 7 checks for nearly 20 months. That's nearly 140 checks he got by paying a few dollars to become a member of this channel.
Big J, and
140 checks
live
he's
show
getting
on
for just paying a few dollars to become a member of this channel.
Right now,
and how much money is 140 checks?
Let me tell you what's going on.
Let's run the numbers. 5 utility bills per month, and his mortgage.
Live when it's taped earlier.
Well,
in the
that's at
morning
least $1,000. That's at least $1,000 all his utility bills and his mortgage.
S&P
and his high-speed
11 points.
That's at least $18,000. It did not cost him $18,000 to become a member. How quickly did he get this? In less than about 2 weeks. That's why you want to become a member.
And more will be coming.
Stimulus check A is great. It's $6,500 to $12,000. But B is the one that does this.
Right now.
MSC
across the board
monthly stimulus checks.
Impact
LALATE innovated the concept of advocating for monthly stimulus checks. I came up with the expression MSC. I invented the expression monthly or multiple stimulus checks. 50%, and it's a law because you advocated for it as part of the Purple Power community for 3 years. And stimulus check B, as the channel approaches our 3rd year anniversary, this is our legacy. 18 months, $3,000 across the board, 5 checks per month. Become a member. It's fast stimulus.
Which is a little bit.
In addition to stimulus check B, I love stimulus check C, which has been on this channel for a long time. And that is for rent, utilities, mortgage assistance, and more. In the membership news, I give you 12 places to reach out to, 12 things to say and what to say. Make sure you reach out to all 12 places
also continue
for rent, utilities, and mortgage assistance. If you get a no, also reach out to the next one because you're also going to get a yes. That's how it works. And how much money can you get for these members? Let's look at the success stories from other members starting right now. In fact, let's go in reverse. Usually we start with a smaller number. Let's go with a bigger number.
Had a limited effect on inflation.
Here's Lorraine.
But the market pricing suggests that disinflation may
$105,000 initially. Then she went to $155,000
at all.
Incredible.
What we've been doing
We're not alone there
hasn't
because Johnny got nearly $250,000.
So
And here's Niecy.
From
Wonderful Niecy was
Wallace,
at 23,000. She went
Daily,
to 50,000.
the Fed governor.
Here's Nancy. She was at 32,000.
Early
She went to
yesterday
50,000.
said that she saw that
Utilities.
was starting to come
These
down.
were our graphics a
She
few
said,
months
"I'm not
ago.
looking
Now
at
they're even
the
higher across the board.
delay data.
They're over
like the CPI,
20,000,
the personal
18 months of
consumption
incredible
expenditure
utilities.
index being
And these were our
released
rent
just days
numbers
now.
a few months
She
as
says,
well.
I'm looking at the live data,
Okay.
talking to people in the
Now they're
community. She
far
says,
over
the rent has
30,000.
come down, even
Why
though
would
the
you
CPI
wait
showed
to
that the
become
rent has
a
gone
member
up. It's
if you get
30% of the
$30,000 of
CPI.
your rent
So starting to
paid
see
by the
a
information
breakdown,
in
a
the membership
disagreement among
Why
Fed
would you
governors.
wait to become a
Daily
member?
saying that inflation
Do it
may
right
be
now.
coming
Get
down
those
a
credible
little
stimulus
bit.
checks. A, B, and
Boulard
C.
saying,
Same
no, I don't
eligibility.
see it at all,
Congratulations to
and I don't
Lorraine.
see that even happening
105,000
next year.
And Dragon has gotten
And then even looking at
170,000
which
as a
data
triple
points
member
to
to all
look
three
at
channels
is
and
a
a volunteer
disagreement because
community
yesterday
just
Waller
absolutely
on
huge.
Evenings LA
Those are your
late
beautiful stimulus checks,
Wednesday
A, B,
night
and C,
said that
from Joe Biden
he is still looking
past the
at
spring of last year.
delayed data like the next.
Now, in addition to those
CPI,
incredible
the
stimulus
PCE,
checks
he
in the
wants to see
membership
those
news
vetoes
area,
come
stimulus checks
out.
E through K,
Wow.
that came from
So
Congress, and those are
translation for
incredible.
you is that
And let's
there's
look at
now
those
a
great
disagreement
stimulus checks,
among
which are
Fed
right
governors for
in
the
that
first
membership
time
news
this
area
year
together.
about what's going
After
on. First,
A, B,
they're
and
disagreeing
C.
upon which data to look at.
After
Look
Joe
more
Biden
at
passed
live data
those
versus
first three
monthly
checks,
data.
A, B, and C,
Number two,
Congress came along
they're
and did other
disagreeing
checks,
whether
E through
inflation has
K.
even come down.
And let's look at those
Some
checks right
saying it
now.
started to come down.
And how much do
some
they pay?
saying it hasn't even
A
started
lot.
to come down. And won't
Stimulus
start
check E is a
next year.
$7,500 stimulus check.
And
Love
number
it.
three,
After $4,000 stimulus check.
disagreement
Incredible.
on
Have you
what
become a
they
member?
should
What are you
do
waiting on?
with the
What are you
next
waiting to become a member
median.
on? You think
The
someone's going to just
prediction
throw
for
you
me,
$100,000 for
you,
doing
for the
nothing?
next
No, become a member right
FOMC
now.
is likely a
Just a few
50 basis
dollars, just a
point,
little bit
not
of effort.
75
You
basis
can have a
point, because
lot
that's
of
looking to
money.
be more in the
It's that
books.
straightforward.
But
Stimulus check G is a beautiful,
is that
wonderful,
not going to stop those
incredible
interest rate
30%
spikes.
off. H, $2,000 stimulus check. I, a gorgeous $8,000 stimulus check. J, $8,000 stimulus check. And K, a $14,000 stimulus check.
LALATE 1.
These are the checks passed
The
by
breaking news
Congress
minutes
for
ago is that
you,
Nancy Pelosi
and they
just
are incredible.
literally 4
18
minutes
months,
before
$3,000
the
across the
Live
board,
View
5 checks per
has
month. It's
announced
fast
she's
stimulus.
resigned
Get these
as
incredible
Speaker of
stimulus
the
checks,
House.
E through
This is
K,
the breaking
in
news
that membership
today.
newsletter.
Nancy Pelosi is not leaving.
L&M,
the House
N&O, and
soon, but
P&Q.
she's
Let's look at
resigning
those
as
checks
Speaker of
right
the
now.
House. Now, she was not
L
going
is
to
$100,000 on average
because
of loan interest
the
for
House
money.
was lost
M,
by the
a $4,000
Democrats.
stimulus check.
So more specifically,
N, a
she's
brand new
resigning
computer,
as potential
tablet, laptop.
minority leader.
Don't you
of
love
the
that?
House.
I love
She's
it.
not going to take that
Stimulus
position.
check N in that membership
I
newsletter.
don't
Brand new
blame her.
computer, tablet,
So
laptop.
she will
you
not
heard
be
me
your
right.
minority
And then
leader
O,
in the
zero down
House.
payment, zero
Kevin
closing
McCarthy
costs on a
is
brand new
your
mortgage, and then P and
House
Q.
Speaker. Why?
P is
This
a
the
beautiful
breaking news yesterday
refi,
on
and
LALATE
Q
Let me
is
tell
an
you what
$8,000
happened.
stimulus check.
The House has been taken by the
So there you go.
Republicans.
That is
The
$300,000
House
stimulus
will
right
no
there.
longer be controlled
Law,
by the Democrats.
Americans, and
Nancy
U.S.
Pelosi
states,
does
and U.S.
not want a
territories.
minority leadership
SSI,
position. She says, "I'll
SSDI,
just keep my
SSA,
House seat."
veterans, low
Over to
income.
the Senate. The Senate
Married couple,
will
150,000
remain
less.
Democrat at this
Single
point.
individual,
No
150,000,
likely
50,000,
change at all
75,000
with that
less.
across
Go
the
get it right
board.
now.
And I
Fast
had a
stimulus,
misstatement
5 checks per
yesterday. I
month,
said the runoff
18
election
months.
for the Senate
You deserve
seat is in
it. Do
February.
it
It's
right
not
now
Senate.
while it's still
But the takeaway
around.
right now is that this
And
is
you
what's gonna
advocate
happen
for it,
in
and we
2023.
got it.
You're going to have a
Those are your beautiful stimulus
Democratic
checks again.
House. Excuse me,
Step
I just butchered
1,
that. I just
go
said
into
that.
this video,
You're gonna have a
join the
Democratic
channel.
Senate, and you're
Have
gonna
you
have a
joined the channel?
Republican
What are you waiting for?
House.
It's just a few
What
dollars
does
to
that
become a
mean
member.
for
It's
next
just a few dollars to become a
stimulus
member,
NSE?
and you can
Next
be
stimulus
holding
detailed
all
just even yesterday on this
these
channel. Looked like
incredible
the House is going to
informations in
remain
your hand.
Democrat. It's not going to happen.
Then
so
go
what's
into that
gonna
incredible
happen
membership
with
newsletter
next
and
stimulus,
start
and what type
grabbing
of
these
stimulus
incredible
will
checks.
Republicans
Let's
do?
go over how this
And will
works
the
starting right now.
Democrats in the Senate approve it?
Step 1,
Got all
go
that
into the video,
analysis for you.
join the
Coming
channel.
up in the big second
Step
half.
2,
But the big
go to this
stimulus, that
website.
is law. That is
News.LALATE.com/newsletter. That website is at the top of the chat, the pinned comment,
Kimmy Romano
and the description of
has
this
gotten
video.
some
That's
brand new
the
FSC
newsletter.
stimulus.
The newsletter is
What
at
are
news.LALATE.com/newsletter. The top of the chat, the pinned comment, and the description of this video. It's a password-protected newsletter website, and the password is sent from me to you on every post that is posted all throughout the day on the channel in which you became a member.
Earlier this year, those
So you're
FSC
watching this
checks
show
for
Evenings LA
$300,000 of 300 different
at
checks.
6 o'clock.
It doesn't matter
5
what
o'clock,
happened in the midterm
5:30.
elections.
It'll
All the
say,
FSCs
hey, there's a new
are
show,
law, and
Evenings
they will
LA,
not
airing
be
right now.
revoked as law.
current password. Here it is. There you go. It's that simple. As soon as a new video is going out, I can send you an alert. Brand new password. The password is updated daily at about 9 a.m. Sent out to you throughout the day. Almost sent out almost 100 times per day. Grab that password, go right into that password protected newsletter, start getting those criminal checks. ABC, Ether, LQ. Because this is the primetime show, we're going to go to the other stimulus checks right now.
It has to do with Social Security
Stimulus check
and that big money is also
a lot of money.
But also
stimulus checks are
is the
It's a
changing
lot of
focus
money.
of NSC.
It's the employee
NSC is
tax
now
retention
different. This is
credit.
not bill, not
And if you had an
law
employee
yet,
on staff
but
when the
in view of
pandemic
fact
hit
that we will have
in 2019 and got them on staff in 2020, and at least one of the quarters of 2021, you're getting paid an insane amount of money.
Democrat,
And all the details of that money is in that membership newsletter. It's the employee tax retention credit. It's an insane amount of money. It can
Let's
be
go
in some
back to the
cases over
markets
half
and what
$1
we're
million
looking at right today, because there
Become
is
a member.
lot
It's in
going
the
on
newsletter,
right
and also
today.
reach out to Tax Preparer, which
Poulard's
explains this a
comments
little bit more in
were
detail to you.
really shocking.
Unemployment
To attain
stimulus.
a sufficiently
And PEBT
restrictive
checks.
policy,
Only on
level,
our evening
we'll
shows.
need to
Let's go with
continue
those
to
right now.
increase with those
First,
interest
unemployment.
rate spikes.
If you are a
I've not in
W-2
the
employee who has
40
been
years
fired
with the Fed seen a
anytime
time
recently,
like
what do you
this
do?
type
Step
of
2,
tightening
step
that
1,
you didn't get some
file the
type of
claim.
painful
File the
outcome.
claim with your State's
That is
Department of
Esther
Unemployment.
George.
It'll
spoke
ask you
late
3
yesterday
questions.
as well. She's another Fed
Were
president.
you
I
a
told you there's a lot
W-2
of Fed presidents
employee who
speaking
has
the last
been
few days?
fired?
And then
Answer
Michelle
yes.
Bowman is going to
In this
speak
scenario,
later
absolutely.
today.
W-2
I'll
employee
have comments
fired.
on
Date you're
earnings.
fired, put it in.
Here's some of the numbers coming in the
That
Wall
is actually
Street
willing to work?
Digest
Yes.
right now.
Able to work?
Macy's
Yes.
stock is
Done.
up
The claim will be approved.
dramatically.
It's that
10% in one
Date you're
day
fired, willing to
pre-market
work,
trading
able to work,
as
done.
it beat on
Bet you're not
top
done there.
revenue, beat
Now
on
it's
bottom
going to have you go through a
profits.
series of
BJ's
questions thereafter.
wholesaler
And those series of questions
also
thereafter are going
was
to
up
ask you
3% in
to
pre-market
indicate
trading
what
as
happened
it
after you
beat
got
on
fired.
top and bottom
And it's going to
as
do with
well.
something called
Kohl's,
certified
however, was
for
a very
weekly
different
benefits.
story. Kohl's
So
today
it's
is
going
down
to start at the day
4%
in which you're
as it
fired
moves
and bring you
through
up to the
complete financial
present.
projections for the rest of this year.
1 week
More
at a
about
time.
that in a second. And Alibaba,
Certified
you
for
know
benefits,
about
bring it
them.
all the way to the present.
They
And
beat
keep on doing to you
top,
up to the
but
present.
missed on
You can stop and take a
bottom.
break and go back and continue
Wow.
it. And you
The
can go
latest
back
details
in
across
time,
the board.
of course.
So
You've done
we
this
also
before.
had reportings as well from
There's a lot of
Norwegian
money.
and Cisco and Bath and Body
If it's
Works.
15 weeks,
Norwegian actually slid
it's a
5%
lot of money.
after
It's your
it got a
unemployment
downgrade,
stimulus.
but it didn't
And it's
actually,
law.
deliver
PBT
on
checks
the
also heating up
numbers.
tonight's stimulus
Kohl's
as
is a
well.
very important story.
If you
to
had
understand
children
the markets
who are normally
today.
paid,
Why? Because
normally
Kohl's
fed
reported
by the schools,
its third quarter
for their
earnings
meals,
today, and
or given
revenue is
discounted
down
food from the schools for their meals.
7%.
And those children had to stay home during the
In
pandemic
one
at any
quarter
time.
to 4.28,
Well,
but more importantly,
now you're going to get checks for that.
They withdrew
Because
their
you had to pay for
full-year
their meals at
forecast.
home
When you
rather
see
than
someone
the schools
withdrawing their
provided for
full-year
free or
forecast,
discounted.
it basically
That's called
means the full-year
PEBT
forecast is
checks.
not
And those are still
something
coming
they
out from
want to
states.
rely
Details of
upon.
that
They
believe
believe
the
that
brand new show on this
the
channel in the
financial
next few
numbers
days.
that the company
So
has
big
has
stimulus for
changed,
2023.
and that is why they
Stimulus checks
do
A, B, and
not
C, E
want
to the
you
K, L to
rely
Q
upon
for
their
USSI,
required
SSDI,
financial numbers.
SSA, veterans, low
And
income.
they also
Unemployment
the
stimulus,
reason why
small
they
business
withdrew
stimulus,
their
children's
full-year
checks.
financial guidance numbers.
One of the
is
most delicious
significant
items of that,
macroeconomic
the
changes,
MFCs,
that's this economy,
the big
and
checks,
a CEO transition.
$500,000 for small businesses,
The
the children,
during
the
CEO
home repairs, the
transition.
computer, the
He
car.
said in his
Why
statement
would you
minutes
not
ago,
become a Purple
the
Hawk?
Treasury bonds,
Purple Hawk, Purple
reacting
Power,
to the news
Casino
that the
VIP,
Federal
just a
Reserve
few
may
dollars
have
to
more
become a
interest rate
member.
spikes,
And guess how much money is available for you? Over $300,000 of stimulus is detailed in the membership newsletter for just the price of a few dollars, the price of a hamburger. You get access to all this incredible information in that membership newsletter. Become a
Let's
member
look at
right
this
now.
big stimulus right now.
It pays to become a member because
FSC, federal
the details of all this incredible stimulus in that membership newsletter is far more than the price
United States
of a
back in the
membership.
month of March. It's
And
huge.
far more than the
And
price of a
congratulations
membership
to
for a
Kimberly
lot of people.
Romano.
There's a lot
Kimberly
of
Romano
stimulus
got
in that
some
incredible membership
FSC, she
newsletter.
said to me in
And the big
message
second half, we're going to go
yesterday.
over more
She
about
says,
why
hey,
it's so
Kimberly
important to do
Romano. I
things
want to share this with all the
correctly.
Purple Hawks.
And doing things correctly involves also crypto and
in August,
Wall
I got
Street.
approved
In the
for
big second half, we're
18
going to look
months.
at what's
18
going on
months
right to
of
the moment
one check.
tonight.
No, multiple checks.
Inflation?
What you got.
Well, new
18 months
inflationary
to
concerns as
apply,
well.
$360
And what's
a
going
month
on?
for
Well, we'll be
HOA,
looking at a brand new series
fees.
of reports coming out
Then
just
she
in the
also
last
got
few
approved
minutes,
for
which
18
is
months of utilities.
Treasury yields at the highest
Folks,
levels in 3
that
months
is
and potentially for a
enormous.
larger rate
So
hike
we are
on the
talking
Federal
about
Reserve. The 2-year
5
note is surging
plus
right
checks a
now
month at
in tonight's
18 months,
broadcast
80 to 100 checks.
on a beautiful
That's the
evening.
third
The
person
10-year note is up as
low
well
that has
dramatically.
delivered that success story
And then
to
our
the channel.
coins are going
She also got about
really
$4,000
fascinating
of
moves left and
pass-through
right.
property
This was
taxes
earlier today.
approved as
These
well.
were our breakout coins
And
on Mornings
then
LA. Did
she's
you
not
watch
there
that show? I
done
think
yet,
you
because
did.
that's all check B.
And
She
let's jump
also
in the
got
live
approved for
chart and
check
you see
A.
my
She
live
got the
reaction to the
weatherizing
situation
grant.
as well.
I was so elated.
One chart,
You can see that.
green.
Elated.
One chart,
yes.
red.
When I got the email about my
And
approval.
boy,
Thank
they've
you,
been
LA.
very,
I love
very
your
dramatic
program. I
today.
appreciate that so much.
And let's see how
Kimberly.
dramatic they
Congratulations,
did.
Kimberly,
This is the
for
one-day
my
chart.
show.
Let's go to the
Margaret
1-week
says,
chart.
I want you to
Yeah,
know
look
I
at
got
that
another
big free fall in the
$600
last 2
check
hours.
C.
That's Bitcoin. Went
And
as
I have
high
an
as
appointment next
nearly
week to get
25,000
more
early
of that
this
money.
morning.
It's looking like they're
And
gonna be 6
Decentraland
months
is
for
really
LAs.
at the edge of going red
So
right
what
now.
is
Will
this
it be
incredible
red by the
money?
second
What
half
is
of
this
tonight's
money that
broadcast?
keeps getting?
We'll be jumping some
Let's
breakout
start
coins
with
and the
the
opportunity to make big
federal
sums of money. I'll show you how to make
stimulus check.
a
So you understand where it's coming from, and why it's
19% on your move tonight from the shores of San Diego, California. It's all in that incredible membership newsletter.
In the month of March.
It heats up tonight's show in the big second half. A market rally is underway, and I'll go over what you need to know for this market. A lot of money and a lot of excitement. What a big show we have tonight. I'm so excited you're here.
Single individuals,
so much detail, and it's all in that incredible membership newsletter. Become a member and get ready for all this incredible sums of money in the big second half.
By Joe Biden.
From the shores of Santa Monica, California, the golf tournament is also nearly complete. We're chucking back to the Palisades Riviera to see what's going on with the major battle
over the second half
for that win. It's down to John Rahm, who is currently 17 under through the ninth hole, and Max Homa, who is 15 under through the ninth hole.
Got to that.
It is getting really
hundreds of tracks.
Of course, Tiger Woods is the host of the Genesis Open, was followed up by which is by the shores of Santa Monica, California. I'll be back with you in 60 seconds with this and more. It's a huge show tonight. It's very exciting. It's brand new, and it's just getting started.
Every few days,
I'll be back with you in 60 seconds as we jump into the latest details of what's going on with your economy, your stimulus,
in the LALATE newsletters where you
your crypto, and of course, major breaking news coming on some stocks and some inflationary reports minutes ago.
I'll
see you back in
Friday,
60 seconds.
7 p.m. Pacific Standard Time via the YouTube alerts. Go right.
If you want money right now, not 5 days from now, and not 5 weeks from now, then reach out to the community page. The volunteers can help you find that money for rent and
the
utilities.
breaking news that we're dealing with right now is very tumultuous. We have
the community page features a series of volunteers who are viewers like you.
Earnings.
They can help you find rent,
what's happening on Capitol
utilities,
Hill. I know there's a lot
SNAP,
going on in
food
just a short
benefits,
period of time.
mortgage assistance, and help you with eviction moratorium questions as well. Their Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram individuals reach out to them and indicate the city and state you're from, and they'll get back to you shortly. That's a community page. Volunteers working for you, viewers helping one another.
Governor speaking in the next 3 days about where they believe this economy is and where it's going.
Join LALATE Daily for the excitement of the new LALATE Live Daily. The excitement starts on mornings LALATE at 9 a.m.
The only thing they're agreed upon is the following. Number 1, they will be doing the spikes over here. They will be doing the spikes.
Home LALATE returns at 11 a.m. daily.
Letting up on those interest rate spikes. Here's another clarification. Yes, I said that daily went to the inflation by 4% this spreadsheet. That budget down. She still
and then afternoons LALATE
so we are
at 1 p.m.
7% inflation. Other than that, they're disagreeing for the first time.
Join us daily as the excitement continues live from Santa Monica on LALATE.
He says that the decrease
and excitement continues right now for the shores of Santa Monica, California. As this graphic is heating up right now,
St. Louis.
This big
daily
night. Treasury yields are now rising to the highest levels in 3 months right this evening.
Not in the data.
Amid potential for larger rate hikes for the Federal Reserve. The 10-year note rose to 4.718% tonight,
then we had
and the 10-year rose to 3.92%. Those are both the highest levels we have seen on this channel since November 2022.
I don't really know.
What is the significance of this major bond rally tonight? It's breaking news on a big evening. It's final round action from the Genesis Open by the shores of Santa Monica, California is underway. Let me go over the significance of that Treasury run right now. Treasury yields, of course, mirror inflationary concerns. If you believe that rates are going to go higher, then Treasury yields are going higher. Without going into the issue of the yield curve inversion, which confuses some people, I want to tell you, these Treasury yields are getting very fascinating, and their movements left and right are really getting very dramatic right now. Let's look at those numbers right again, one more time. The 3-year note is right now at its highest level in over 2 years, practically, since November 2022. That 2-year note is now at 4.718%. That's really high, folks. The 10-year bond is now at a 3.929 right now. Again, the highest level since November 2022. What is the concern? The concern is more interest rate spikes from Jay Powell and the Federal Reserve. Likely to happen? Absolutely.
Inflation has
and why is the bond yields moving so dramatically? Because they believe it's not priced into the markets. And when it's not priced into the markets, they want to assess the risk, and they want to assess the risk by trading up the notes so that if it does happen, that we're already at that point across the board.
Number 3, medical.
Do we see anything else
other component to
indicative of that
inflation of that
tonight? Let's
CPI
jump over some
number
stocks
was up.
in just a second.
Gasoline,
but first, let's go over some
energy,
crypto. Is crypto
the
impacted by
groceries,
yield curve inversions?
rent,
Absolutely.
all the other components of the CPI
yield curve
was up. In
inversions
fact, the
impacted
CPI
it
itself
across
was
the
up.
board. The day started with Bitcoin
The CPI was up month
relatively
to month
flat
and
at a
year.
24,000
So
valuation.
when people
Ethereum
say,
at a
you
1,600
know what,
valuation.
it's a good report.
They
I
were
want to see
flat
more
when we
data
went
that
on
shows
air
that.
this morning.
No,
Decentraland
let's
at
be
the
very
time
clear.
flat as well at
The
about 71
totality
cent
report was
pop.
an up number.
These were our
The
breakout
components
coins
of
of
the
Sunrise.
report, the
All that membership
99%
newsletter.
of
Have you
them were
become a
up, and
member?
only 2 or 3
That
were
membership
down.
newsletter features
So
your breakout coins
where
every day,
is
which we'll go over
anything
those in a
up?
second.
Well, that's
But
what
where are we
Dana
right
is
now?
doing
Let's jump in some
different. And I
live
agree
charts
with her.
right
She's
at the
looking
time of
live
this
data.
broadcast,
She's
which
going
is
to
1
the
o'clock
community.
p.m. Pacific
So
Standard
get
Time
ready, because the big
on a
second
beautiful
half, I'm gonna
Sunday.
ask you
This is
what
a
you're
live
seeing
chart
in
right
data.
now.
But let's get some more.
So this is the Decentraland
Here
right
we go.
today.
Let's start
It is a
with
green
some
one-day
federal
chart. It
checks
was
like
red on
Romano
afternoons.
got. We're going to go over
Slightly
checks
green
A,
because the one day
B,
is now
and
slightly
C.
popped up.
And this is big news. And
Here's
it
BIT.
has been a law.
If you watch
since
the afternoon
early
show,
this
which
year.
aired right before this
and
one,
if you see
BIT
what's
was
gonna come up in
slightly
the second half
red.
of the balance of power
Now
in the
it's
House
slightly
and Senate, you're
green.
gonna understand. Oh boy.
And what's going on?
LALATE
Let's jump in the chart right
I'm
now.
not going to sit around
I am
for
with
something
you.
else,
That is
because
actually
this
the
is
1 week chart. Let's
the
go to the
reality
1 day
check
chart
right now.
Okay,
And lots
the 1 day
of
chart
those
is
checks.
very much red.
Those first 3 checks
So
are
let's
A,
see
B,
what
and
happened to
C, passed by
Bitcoin
Joe
over this
Biden in
24-hour
March.
period.
And
The
let's
time
go
of this
over some
broadcast being
checks
taped
right
is
now.
1 o'clock Pacific
Check
Standard
A is a
Time on Sunday.
$6,500 to $12,000.
Right now,
in
Bitcoin
every
is
US state.
trading
Single
down for the
digital,
day. It's
75,000.
red,
Let's go get it.
24,500.
150,000. Let's go get it.
Start of the
How do
day,
you get
where?
it? You go onto this video.
24,600.
Become a member.
So it's down for the day.
Purple Power, Calcium.
How high did it go?
Become
Went
a
all the
member
way
to
up to almost
LA1, LA2,
25,000.
LA3.
That
And
was
get the
on
newsletter from any
our
of those
morning
3
show.
channels, Monday through
And
Friday.
we were real excited
7
at
p.m.
the time
Pacific
that
Standard
breakout
Time
for
via
the
the
upside.
YouTube alerts.
But by that
And
time
then
I
go
was
down
taping
to
the
where you see
afternoon show. You
check
saw
A
what's
and
happening
go
with
right and
me. I
apply.
had a live show
That's
on
how
that
you
time
do
as
it.
well. And suddenly
Then
Bitcoin was falling
get
apart.
ready to apply for check B.
Breaking under the
It is
25,000 support level.
$15,000. It's the fourth most
Tonight,
in
where
the
is it
US
across
state.
the board?
This is the check
It's
that
testing
Romano
the
got.
$24,000
And this is the check that big money is
support
coming to
level
big viewers.
of one
Here is
day.
Frank Mancuso.
Here, what
Look
is
familiar?
the 1
It
week
does.
chart?
Frank
Give us
Mancuso
more
got
indication.
18 months of
1 week chart, we are
18 months of high-speed
green for
internet,
Bitcoin.
18 months of
But where's
utility
that support level?
from check
It's
B.
clear around here,
Again,
24,000.
That is about 5 checks.
We break
a month
under
over 18 months.
24,000, and we're going to
See the
23,000.
trend line
We break
with
under
the channel?
23,000, we
Yes,
go all the way over
nearly
to
8,100
22,000.
checks. Frank Mancuso,
That's 1
that was
week. Let's go to 1 month.
$10,000. When you run the
Wow.
numbers for Kimberly Romano, it
Very,
comes out to
very,
almost 20,000.
very
And we
close.
have another view out of Florida.
You break under it,
She
you
got
fall all the way to
the same
22,000.
payout,
3 months.
but it was a little bit more.
Yeah, you see what's going on. This little thing at the end.
3 different
here.
viewers, 3 different
Don't hold
months,
it. We can
and
go
the
all the
same
way to
success story.
22-23.
Go right in this video, become a
So what do
member,
I
and
think
you
is
can
going to
double
happen
check B, and congratulations
on
to Speller
Bitcoin
got check A. I forgot
tonight?
to mention.
Sunday
But
evening.
you're not done there yet. You can do a check
Bitcoin
C. This is for
generally
rent, utilities,
rallies
mortgage,
up
assistance, and more.
Sundays.
And why do you
Trades
want this?
down on
because
Saturdays.
the utility
If you've been
bills
watching
are
this
through
channel for the last
roof.
2 years.
They are up 69%.
It's clearly trading up
in the
right
latest
now because you
inflationary
see that little
report.
pop. Let's
and
go
up
to a one-day chart.
20%,
So it's more
10 to
obvious.
20% month
There
to
you go.
month.
So it's
and
clearly
we're
trading
just
up
at the
right
first
now.
month of a
Oh, it went back to red for the one
long
day.
winter.
Clearly
Video,
trading up
become a
right now,
member and get
but
that money
it's
for
barely
rent,
holding its
utilities,
position.
And also,
Now let's
mortgage
jump
assistance.
into another
In the
coin
membership
to see if it's
newsletter, it tells you
indicative of the
who
whole
to
market.
call,
Decentraland.
12 places, what to say,
One day
and
chart,
how to say it
green,
for this
up.
rant.
Pop at the end of the
that
day.
amount
Yes.
of money
See that pop at the
has
very
been
end of
gotten
the
by
day.
viewers
Right
this
here.
channel for a long
Went from
time.
71, went
Since
up to
2020, this
72
this
right
channel has
now.
gotten viewers, and you
1
have
week
gotten
chart.
$50 million.
Yeah, I got a nice
all
little pop
these
this
different
morning.
items.
Got a very, very
Do you
nice
want
pop this
$30,000
morning.
of rent? Go get some
74.
check
Did
C.
not hold it.
Congratulations, Nisi, all the way up to Elizabeth.
And now for the 1
Do
month
you
chart
want
is
some
actually
utilities
heading
like market?
negative.
She keeps
Red
on
for
getting more
Decentraland.
utilities. Congratulations.
So
Market
if you've been
owners.
watching this channel
Lake
the
Glenn
last
and all
2
the live
years
shows, she
of
got
my crypto
14 months of
coverage,
utilities.
this is what we've generally
Lots of
seen
viewers
on
are
this
getting
channel.
14 months of utilities.
Coins
or 14
generally
months
start
of
to
rent
trade
in the
up
last
on
2
Sunday
weeks. Here's Mark.
afternoons
He's a
and trade very much
$6,500.
down on
His
Saturday
brother-in-law got
afternoons.
$15,000.
So let's see if that plays
$250,000
out
over
again
10 years
tonight.
for
It'll be very
Snap.
fascinating. We'll check back in
Combinations attack.
tomorrow
Nisi
morning
went
on live on air on Mornings LATE at about
Marcus at
32,000,
50, then 100, then 1 at
Why is this so important?
And Lorraine was at 105.
Because we've had a lot of Sundays in a row, almost 4 Sundays in a row, where we're testing those lower support levels on Bitcoin, and we came out clear. We almost broke under them, and right now we're testing again. Don't want to keep on testing that lower support level every day on every Sunday on BIT. And the issue is that
LATE1, LATE2, and LATE3.
We're getting close again. We're getting really close again, whether it's Essential Land or whether it's Bitcoin.
LATE2 is
Here's
what's
at issue is that is
is the original channel of
the 1 week chart
features it all.
And
starting today,
if we do not hold that support,
watch Afternoons LA.
You see how low we can go.
At 3 o'clock, taped live
3 month.
earlier in the morning.
You see how clear that is. We have a pop at the very end of that chart for the 3 month for Bitcoin. If we don't hold that support level right now, we go all the way back down here with 22,000, 21,000. There's a big difference between 24,000 and 21,000. That's $3,000 drop.
And
we don't want to drop again at all.
And the Republicans.
And we have tested this almost 3 weeks in a row on Sundays on LALATE. That's why you don't want to miss the weekend shows on the channel, especially
coming up in the big second half.
when it's your stimulus and it's also your money. Because BID is testing those Sunday support levels once again.
Then you hit that
indicative of that over for Dissension line. Let's look at the Dissension line. Let's look at another coin right now. Here's Dissension line. I'm in the chart with you.
On for
1 month.
3 channels because all 3
very,
channels
very
are rolling
close.
out a
Very,
lot
very
of
close.
new
1 week. That just happened.
And
that drop at the end just happened.
Right
wow,
this new
wow!
show.
I cut back and forth
and
between
with that,
BID and Dissension.
let's get ready
getting
for the
really,
big second half. But first, let's jump
close.
back into the markets and what we're looking at as
So
well.
this is why your Sundays
also
are
are
so
digesting
critical
the home
for
builders
watching
numbers
LALATE,
that
and your Sundays are so
yesterday.
critical
I mean, this
for
one is
your
the number you
coins.
can project
Now let's jump
because
over
we've
to
seen
some
this number
income
before.
movements
In
across the
fact,
board.
10
We're
months
trying to find some
before.
coins that are breaking out
The
today, and
11th
where are our breakout
consecutive
coins? We
months,
started them this morning
11th
on Morning's
consecutive
LALATE
month
and
of
all in the
negative
membership
numbers
newsletter.
from the housing market
Why do you want to become a
came
member
in
if you're into
yesterday.
crypto and also
home
stocks?
builders'
Because
confidence
this
is now at the lowest
is in the membership
level we've
newsletter.
seen
Every
in
morning,
nearly
your
10
breakout coins.
years.
What
The
are we looking for
housing
breakout
data
coins?
was
We're looking for an
National
opportunity to make
Association
some
of
money
Homes
and get in and get
yesterday.
out.
It was the 11th
Income,
consecutive month
not
of
investment,
trending.
income.
Now, let's
And our
jump into
approach
the
is the following.
important part of the
A
report.
coin that is over
showed
50 cents,
that
preferably over
homebuilders
$1.
cut prices
2, that is up
26%
15% for the
in
day,
September.
potentially even
in the
more.
month of November,
And 3,
released yesterday.
done
they
it before
cut
with a coin.
37%.
So we want to get into a coin that's, let's say,
Are we
maybe
heading to
$1
50%?
up,
I
a dollar
believe it's
coin
possible.
that is up,
This
let's say,
is a view
15%
of
right
all
now.
the
Get in and get
inflation
out,
pressures
make our
we've seen
50% for the
this
day,
time.
and get out, and
No
do
one
it
is
again, maybe
buying
with the same
because they're
coin
not getting
or
off
another
with a
coin.
mortgage
And if we
rate.
do it with the
30-year
same
fixed
coin
mortgage
again,
rate
that's
now
even
at
better.
about 7%.
Burn
I have
has done this
predicted
for
that
us
earlier this year. I got
before.
it right.
So has
Also
Wrapped
predicting
Fill
it's gonna
Coin.
go 8%.
Wrapped Fill Coin started the day
this
up
is as discretionary
19%.
spending is really
We've
not
had a run on
there.
this coin
That's why
before
Target's
in a
cutting
one-day
$3 billion
run.
of cost
It's
over
a
the next 3 years.
$8 coin. It makes
and
total
says
sense to
that
go
the
in and get out.
pressures
We're not holding it long
lack
term.
of consumer
Burn
spending
fits our profile.
is actually
$1
still
coin,
apparent right
up 27%
today.
earlier
That's
today.
Target's chief growth officer,
Perfect sense
Christopher
across the board.
Hennington, in a
Asterisks
brand
next
new
to both of them
comment. She
because
said,
they're breaking
it was
out
a
across the
precipitous
board
decline in the
today,
third quarter for
left and
Target.
right.
In fact, we're still
How do
seeing
you
this
find those
trend line
coins?
in the early part of
Step
November
one,
as well.
go into the video, become a
And
member.
yes, you're thinking to
They're in the
yourself,
membership
wait a
newsletter,
second, you led
updated
with
daily
Macy's
at
bead,
news.lalate.com/newsletter.
missing.
Become a member and
It's
get all
a
this
very,
incredible
very
access to
confusing
incredible
market.
information.
Walmart
The password
beat,
is
and then
delivered from me
Lowe's
to
beat
you
as
Monday through
well.
Friday.
Apparel's
Shortly
not
after,
doing well.
excuse me,
We got that.
passwords
But
delivered
what
from me
about other
to you every
discretionary
day.
spending, and how
In
are
all
some
the posts
companies
on the channel that
bringing
you
the
become a
consumers
member,
and how some
go into that
other
incredible
companies
password
not?
protected newsletter
Discretionary spending
website
for
and look at the
higher
breakout
income
coins
individuals
happening
like a
right now
Macy's
so that
rather
you
than
can
a
get on the
Target. Very
path.
confusing. We don't have the
some
Dollar
more
General
income.
or Dollar Tree numbers just
It
yet.
pays to
but we're
become a member. It's a
looking
few
for them
dollars to
across
become a
the
member,
board.
and you get all
But
this
we
incredible
did have the discount
information
retailer like
for
a
you
BJ's
left and
reporting
right. It
today,
also
and
features your
that was a
breakout
beat.
coins and your most
Confusing?
incredible coins of the day. And
I'll
these
have
are
more
some
about
of them.
that.
Wrapped Fill
My
Coin was
analysis of the
featured
second
on this
half.
morning's
Possible you jumping into
update
a
to the membership
continuation
newsletter.
of these
Why do I like
stimulus
it?
checks.
It's an
Those
$8
inflation
coin.
Release stimulus
Good.
checks, the lifetime stimulus
It's up
checks,
19%.
and an update
Better.
about next
And it's
stimulus
had a
checks.
run
We
like
know
this
the breaking
before for
details
us in
from
one
Nancy
day.
Pelosi
Perfect.
and
You're a
brand
candidate for
new
us to stop.
Speaker
Burn.
of the House, Kevin McCarthy.
Also
I'll
featured in
be
the
back
membership
with you
newsletter this
for
morning.
all that in the big
$1
second
coin.
half.
Great.
As Wall Street Live on
Up 28%
LA3
this morning.
and Afternoons
Great.
on
And it's had a run before.
continues.
Perfect. The membership newsletter also
want
features
money
major
right
coins and
now,
where they're
not
going
5
across the
days from now,
board. So
and
you
not
don't want to
5
miss
weeks
any
from
of
now,
these details
then
left
reach
and
out to
right.
the community
Become a
page.
member.
The volunteers
Why
can
would you
find
not
money
become a
for
member?
utilities.
Access to
That's
all this
at
incredible stimulus,
news.la.com.
months and months and months of stimulus checks, granting computer
community
tablets
page
for your internet,
features
laptop,
volunteers who are
guidance on
like
your
you.
breakout coins,
They
opportunity
can help
to
you
stock
find
those
rent,
coins, opportunity to make big moves
utilities,
across the board,
SNAP,
and also
food
this.
benefits,
Let's jump into the latest
mortgage
details on what's
assistance,
happening with the
and help you with
securities
eviction
and
moratorium
Wall Street
questions
tonight.
as well.
So tonight
Their
we have some
Facebook,
other major elements
Twitter,
at
and
issue,
Instagram.
and those are those comments from
Reach
Federal
out to
Reserve Governor Michelle Bowman, who believes that the Treasury yields are going to go higher. Of course, they're going to go higher. They're still trying to get a 2% target for inflation. Haven't gotten it yet. We had some corporate earnings that came in after the market closed. DoorDash up 7%. The stock, after it had reported a revenue beat and upper guidance. The company's fourth quarter revenue came in at $1.82 billion, higher than expectations of $1.7 billion, and their losses were greater than expected. Texas Roadhouse, however, dropped 5% after it came in with quarterly earnings and revenue below predictions. Revenue came in at $1.01 billion, missing analysts across the board. DraftKings gained 6% after market after posting a per share loss and revenue that was a little bit much in point with what they were looking for. And Moderna was down 6.7% after its influenza vaccine passed with mixed results in clinical trials. Applied Materials also added 2% after it posted the latest results. Its earnings were $2 a share, and its revenue is 6.74, beating expectations across the board.
From the shores of
Big
Santa
show,
Monica,
big broadcast. Let's jump back into the latest details of what's happening by the shores of Santa Monica, California, the Palisades Riviera. So John Rahm at the 17th hole right now is 9 under. He has
at the time of this broadcast,
through the 9th hole is set through the 17th hole. Oh, just
LA1 is live right now.
Say it again. It keeps on changing. I'm about to read it. John Rahm is still in first place, and through the 10th hole he's 16 under. Max Homa through the 11th hole is 16th under, and are now tied with Max, with Rahm. So Rahm and Homa are now tied at 16 under. But Homa's only on the 16th hole. Rahm is on the 10th hole. We also have a few golfers back a little bit further at 15 and 13 under. Tiger's further back across the board. This is the exciting Palisades Riviera Genesis Open. Been around since 1926. It's changed names over the year. The host is Tiger Woods. It's a par 71, and Rahm has been impressive. Max Homa especially impressive as well.
That incredible
it is now a 1, 2, 3, 4 golfer race, and there is less than 3 strokes between the 4 golfers. Tiger is not in the top 4, but he's doing really well. Total purse is $20 million. And full disclosure, I have 2 choices: to be with you tonight in recording, or be on a golf course and watching all this. A golf tournament that I have reported from as a golf reporter on scene before. It's a lot of fun to report golf on scene and in the press room. It's a lot of excitement I've done before. But ultimately, I chose to be with you because your livelihood is more important than the results of golf. From the shores of Santa Monica, California. It's golf and also stimulus. As one person asked me earlier today, is the stimulus in the shores of Santa Monica?
Yeah, because then
the stimulus is not in the shores of Santa Monica.
$100,000.
I'm by the shores of Santa Monica. So is the golf tile as well. Everything you need to know, and it's all deliciousness. I'm so excited you're here, and let's see who's going to win in the next few hours. It's clearly going to be Rahm or Homa. I think both of them are just incredible people. Incredible golfers, and they have very, very different ways of winning. Tiger's been very, very impressive in this tournament. It's just absolutely incredible. From start to finish. And a lot of deliciousness and a lot of excitement, and we're just getting started. The programming continues throughout the night. 3 live shows. It starts at 4 o'clock with Crypto Wall Street Live on Channel 3.
John Maloof was watching this show about 2 weeks ago, and on Channel 1.
And Live, and then 6 o'clock, Stimulus Live on Channel 2. Everything you need to know, and the programming continues throughout the new week and the new morning. Make sure you become a member. Get all those incredible sums of money. You deserve it. It was passed for you. You deserve all the sums of money. Stay informed, stay focused, keep on pouncing, make yourself so proud. You're making me very proud. Do everything you're doing and do it even more. Stay informed, stay focused, and stay with LA for more.
There, Spelly said, Spelly got the tablet thereafter, and Lynn Glenn was watching. She said, they're getting tablets? Let's see. So she got the tablet now. And that's the true motivation spirit of the channel. Let's go for a live check. It's not the show right now. So we have Tammy McKenna. Hey, Tammy. Thank you for watching me live right now. Dragon from a member of all 3 channels, this channel, LA3.
From Wall Street to Main Street,
all the great information you're getting.
This is LALATE.
It's a major night as evenings LA heats up on 3 channels, and the stimulus is here. And it's also an incredible membership newsletter. Have you become a member? Into tonight's broadcast, we're going to go over these 2023 stimulus checks for you. SSI, SSDI, SSA, veterans, low income, stimulus checks A, B, and C first in this broadcast. Then we'll take a break. Look at that incredible membership newsletter right here at news.la.com/newsletter. Then we'll go over the continuations of checks, E to K, L to Q, and then children's checks, small business students, and then the big second half of the breakout coins. The latest details on crypto Wall Street tonight heats up left and right. Here are tonight's major coins. Wrapped Bitcoin up 19% right today. Burn up 27% as well. And if you've been watching broadcasts on this channel all day long, because they've been all new, you've seen this. Whoa, my goodness. Look at that drop. That is literally in the last 5 minutes. That is essentially. And look at Bitcoin. That is literally in the last 10 minutes. Huge. This morning we have a major run up on coins, and tonight, major run down. We'll go over the latest details of what's going on. It's all in that incredible membership newsletter. News.la.com/newsletter with those incredible stimulus checks. We'll go over these checks, A, B, and C for Joe Biden. Then we'll go to the incredible newsletter after stimulus check C, then E to K, L to Q. These are 2023 stimulus checks for you, SSI, SSDI, SSA, veterans, low income. We're going to go over the huge checks, MSC, and how do you get them? In the membership newsletter. We'll go over that at stimulus check C, become a member. And this broadcast will go over the major monthly stimulus checks, MFC, how to get them from the shores of Santa Monica, California. It's a big night, it's a big broadcast. It's off on the way, just a few miles away at the Riviera Country Club at the shores of Santa Monica, California. And we're going to go over the latest details, what's happening there and what's happening here. Stimulus and a lot of deliciousness. And also some coins going left and right from the shores of Santa Monica, California. A lot of money today and a lot of money tonight. It's all heating up here and also on a golf course. Everything you need to know and everything we're going left and right with heats up tonight's broadcast. It's a brand new show and it's a brand new day. And it's also excitement left and right. Everything you need to see is on tonight's broadcast. And wow, what a show it's going to be. We're going to get all that incredible sums of money one at a time, starting right now.
No, I don't think that's really what she meant now that I reread the comments, but even if you think that's what she meant. No, Jane Howard made it very clear. That means you have two phrases. You'll have 4 phrases so that by we have a large chunk. The large chunk all the numbers of them. The price of goods will be back down to the lowest level of a generation. So you're going to have the biggest check
and
the cheapest cost.
One of the jokes that's been on the channel all day long has been people asking, is the stimulus in the shores of Santa Monica, California? No, the stimulus is not in the shores. I'm near the shores of Santa Monica, California. And also by the shores of Santa Monica tonight is the Palisades Riviera Genesis Open. And we're checking back in on what's going on with that excitement. Oh, my goodness, what a great show we have tonight. Massive stimulus checks. We'll go over that membership newsletter after stimulus check C, and we'll go over which checks are great, and in the big second half we'll be jumping into oh my lord, my goodness. Have you been watching the new shows all day long? They've been all new all day long, and this chart has this Bitcoin and this Recession have gone from green to red in just a very short period of time. Look at that free fall right now. Absolute massive free fall underway right now, and we'll be jumping into the latest details on this. Treasury yields rising to the highest level in 3 months. Potential more rate hikes from the Federal Reserve. What's going on? And also expansion of stimulus checks. What a big show we have tonight, and I'm so excited you are here. We're going to go over first stimulus checks A, B, and C. After stimulus check C, we'll go in that membership newsletter, which is right there. Then we'll go to E to K, L to Q, and it's primetime shows tonight, so we're going to go over those stimulus checks are the $500,000 stimulus, the children's checks, the unemployment stimulus checks. It's a big show. Let's go into that incredible money right now. The stimulus checks A, B, and C, E to K, L to Q are all this for 2023. These are law passed by the U.S. government for single individual $75,000 less, and married couple $150,000 less. SSI, SSDI, SSA, veterans, low income. As I go through each of the checks, I'll detail for you which check I like and why I particularly like it. Stimulus check B is 18 months, 5 checks per month, $3,000 across the board. We'll go over each check one at a time. Let's jump into it right now.
probably not going to
Stimulus check A, B, and C
I know this
are
is going to be
huge.
totally different than
These are the ones passed by Joe Biden in the spring of
First,
last year.
all the burning
And they're really
stuff
quite
is not
wonderful.
gonna get passed.
Stimulus check
Dental,
A is a
vision, hearing, lowering the eligibility age of
$1,600
Medicare.
to
All
$12,000
that
stimulus
changes
check.
never gonna
It's
happen.
wonderful.
Number
The way that
two,
laws work is that once they're
first-time
passed, they
homebuyers,
remain laws so long as
$25,000
it's still funded.
is not
And
gonna
these are
happen.
all still funded.
That's just a blanket
Stimulus check
check.
A is
The
$6,500 to
Republicans are gonna approve a
$12,000
blanket
stimulus
check
check. You deserve it.
$25,000
How do you get it? You go into the video,
home.
become a
Number
member.
three, the
Go down to
CTC,
Stimulus check
$300
A
a
in
month
that
for
credible
children
membership
under
news,
the
or
age
what's
of
list
17
A,
lifetime.
and go get
How's that
that
gonna
beautiful
happen?
stimulus check
Republicans are
A.
not gonna approve that.
$6,500 to
What
$12,000
about
stimulus check.
the cause,
Next up is stimulus check B,
for the
which I
electric
like for a
vehicles?
lot of
Maybe.
reasons. Because
Maybe.
why? It
Which
does
then brings us to
this.
the stimulus check.
Pays you 18 months of
Pure,
beautiful
just pure
checks,
stimulus
and not 18 months of
This
one
is
check.
really interesting.
18 months of about 5
It
checks
is,
per month.
it
Frank
is
Mancuso joined this
really
channel as a
hard
member. Look at that beautiful hawk
to
emoji member logo
I'm gonna
behind his
do
name.
that in
And in less than
collective with something
1
else
week,
in
what did
just
he
a
get?
second.
Approximately
What about the unemployment changes?
18 months
FUC or the PUA,
of his mortgage,
or,
18 months of all his utilities,
PEUC,
and 18 months of high-speed internet checks every
hard to
month.
say.
Let's add that up.
Certainly would not be
Utilities, let's say he has 5
because
utility
Republicans
bills.
never won at 600.
And his mortgage, that's
And
a 6th
then
check.
what about
And his
the
high-speed
business
internet,
grant?
that's a 7th check.
Absolutely.
That's 7 checks
Absolutely.
for nearly 20 months.
That's pure
That's nearly
Republican
140
platform. Absolutely.
checks
EIDL grants
he
could actually
got
come back in
by
full
paying a few
form
dollars to
or
become a
even
member of this
more.
channel.
Business,
140 checks
deductions
he's
and
getting
business
for just paying a
rates
few dollars to
and
become a member of this
business
channel.
write-offs.
And how much money is
Absolutely.
140 checks?
Yes.
Let's run the
That
numbers.
is absolutely
5
very much
utility bills
supports.
per month, and his
But wait a
mortgage.
second, that's Republican. It has to pass
Well,
the
that's
Senate,
at least
that's
$1,000,
Democrat.
folks.
So here you
That's
see
at least
what's
$1,000,
going on.
all his utility bills and his mortgage.
Here is
And his high-speed internet.
my
That's at
analysis,
least
and it's only
$18,000.
analysis,
It did not cost him
You have
$18,000 to
Democrats
become a
who are
member.
gonna wanna see
How quickly did he get
something.
this?
Republicans are
In
gonna
less than about 2
vote
weeks.
and then there's going to be people
That's
who
why you want to become a
disagree.
member.
The big
Stimulus check A is
aggressive
great. It's
platforms,
$6,500 to
dental,
$12,000.
vision,
But B
hearing,
is the
not
one that
happening,
does
not
this.
happening, Not happening.
MSC.
Children getting
Monthly
checks for
stimulus
18
checks.
years. Not
LALATE
not-
innovated the
that's
concept of
false.
advocating for
That's
monthly
just
stimulus
not
checks.
gonna
I came up with the
happen
expression MSC.
What
I
about
invented the
something that
expression
sort of makes
monthly
sense
or multiple
for
stimulus
a
checks.
short period of
And it's
time
law because you advocated for it as
that,
part of the Purple Power
that
community for
solves
3 years.
bills.
And a stimulus check B, as
Now,
the channel
I wanna make
approaches our
something very
3rd year
clear to you,
anniversary.
because I don't
This is
think
our
I've
legacy.
ever explained to you.
18
I
months,
explained it
$3,000
just
across the board,
recently.
5 checks per
There's
month.
really two
Become a member.
fractions
It's fast
of the
stimulus.
Republicans
In addition to stimulus check B, I
just
love
like
stimulus
those
check
two
C,
fractions of the Democrats.
which has been on this channel for a long
The
time.
one fraction of the
And that is for
Republicans
rent,
want to stop
utilities,
spending
mortgage assistance, and more.
anything. Another
In the
part
membership
of
news, I give you
Republicans wanna
12
really
places to reach out to,
focus
12
on
things to say and what to
nationalist
say.
things like,
Make sure you reach out to all 12
doing
places
terrorists
for
against
rent,
China,
utilities, and
blocking
mortgage
borders.
assistance.
So
If
they're
you get a
focused
no,
on
also reach out to the next
nationalism
one because you're
more
also
than-
going to get a yes.
than
That's
spending.
how it works. And how
What
much
I
money
want
can
you
you
to
get to these
understand
numbers?
is that
Let's look at the
very,
success
very
stories
fluid
from other
situations.
viewers
So
starting
they say
right now.
no
In fact, let's go in
on
reverse.
anything.
Usually we start
Unless
with a
it's
smaller
something
number.
sort
Let's
of
go with a bigger
ridiculous,
number.
like 20 years of checks.
Here's
That's not
Lorraine.
gonna happen.
She got
It also
105,000
puts
initially.
the
Then she went to
value of this
155,000.
channel through the roof.
Incredible.
I think
We're not alone there because Johnny got nearly
anyone
$250,000
that
for his
sat
20
around
friends and
just
neighbors.
waited for a
Numbers
sorta
keep on going
maybe,
higher
sorta
every day.
maybe,
Here
sorta
is
maybe. That sort of maybe
Mark.
is very, very sort
Mark was
of
at 50,000.
maybe
He went to
right now.
100,000. Then
Because
166,000 got
no
got
one really
stimulus
knows what
because
the
he got
Republican
stimulus check
platform
B.
is going to be. No one
And here's
knows what the
Nancy.
Democrats' platform is going to be.
Wonderful Niecy was at
And
23,000.
that
She went to
all the checks
50,000.
that I have for you
Here's Nancy.
here
She was at 32,000. She went to
are now
50,000.
so much more
Utilities.
valuable.
These were our graphics a few months ago. Now they're even higher across
Anyone
the
that
board.
just sort of said, "Oh, it
They're
happened
over
this way."
20,000,
Well, that
18 months of
way,
incredible
which was
utilities.
now
And these were our
3
rent
years
numbers a
ago,
few months
is
as well.
not the situation
Now
that
they're
happened
far over
before.
30,000.
We now have a
Why would you wait to become a member if you
Republican
get
House and a
$30,000
Democratic
of
Senate?
your
It's very,
rent
very up and grabs.
paid
So
by
anyone
the
who tells you
information
yes,
in the membership
we
newsletter?
really don't
Why
know,
would you wait to
makes the
become a member?
value of the
Do it
stimulus
right
check
now.
be
Get those credible stimulus
so
checks
important.
A, B, and C.
FSC,
Same eligibility.
yes.
Congratulations to
ISC,
Lorraine,
yes.
105,000.
Lifetime stimulus
And Dragon has gotten
check.
170,000 as a
Again,
triple member to all
in the
3
next
channels
few
and a
weeks,
volunteer to the
maybe,
community page.
maybe not.
Just
Because at this
absolutely
point,
huge.
it's really,
Those are
really
your
hard to
beautiful
understand
stimulus
what
checks
the
A, B, and
Republican
C
platform will be.
from Joe Biden
And they
past the
don't
spring
even
of last
be on
year.
the platform yet at all.
Now, in addition to those incredible stimulus
Let's go
checks checks in the membership news area.
Let's go back to the market and see what we're dealing with
that came from
right
Congress,
now.
and those are
The Dow
incredible.
is relatively
And let's look at those
robust.
great
So
stimulus
let me look at
checks,
the
which are
numbers
right
across
in
the
that
board.
membership news area
We have a
together
split market
after
right
A,
now.
B, and
These
C.
are the current numbers.
After Joe Biden
Dow
passed
turned
those
the other
first three
direction. So
checks,
Dow
A,
was
B, and
up,
C,
and
Congress
now
came
the Dow
along and
has
did other
slid
checks.
down 23
E through
points.
K.
The Nasdaq is down
And let's look
16
at
points.
those checks right now.
And
how much do they
this
pay?
is
A lot. Stimulus check E is a $7,500 stimulus check. I love it. And for $4,000 stimulus check. Incredible. Have you become a member? What are you waiting? What are you waiting to become a member on? You think someone's going to just throw you $100,000 for doing nothing? No, become a member right now. There's a few dollars, just a little bit of an effort. You can have a lot of money. It's that straightforward. Stimulus check G is a beautiful, wonderful, incredible 30% off H $2,000 stimulus check. I, a gorgeous $8,000 stimulus check. J, $8,000 stimulus check. And K, a $14,000 stimulus check. These are the checks passed by Congress for you, and they are incredible. 18 months, $3,000 across the board, 5 checks per month. It's fast. Get these incredible stimulus checks E through K in that membership newsletter.
I don't think so.
L&M, N&O, and P&Q. Let's look at those checks right now.
So ultimately, what is
L is $100,000 an average of low interest free money. M, a $4,000 stimulus check. N, a brand new computer, tablet, laptop. Don't you love that? I love it. Stimulus check N in that membership newsletter. Brand new computer, tablet, laptop. You heard me right. And then O, zero down payment, zero closing costs on a brand new mortgage. And then P&Q.
Even though that we have inflation.
P is a beautiful refi, and Q is an $8,000 stimulus check.
December, unless they have a
So there you go. That is $300,000 of stimulus right there.
You can take
Law,
a position, but understand
Americans, and U.S. states, and U.S. territories. SSI, SSDI, SSA, veterans, low income.
Certain things.
Married couple, $150,000 less. Single individual, $150,000, $50,000, $75,000 less. Go get it right now.
No.
Fast stimulus,
In a recession,
5 checks per
stocks are
month,
down 50%,
18 months.
not down
You deserve
50%
it.
across the
Do it
board.
right now
Two.
while it's still
For
around.
bonds, if you want that
And
exposure,
you
get
advocate
some
for it,
bonds,
and we
absolutely.
got
Lock in
it.
those
Those are
rates,
your beautiful
and
stimulus
the
checks
bond
again.
yields continue to
Step
move
1,
across the board.
go into this video, join the
lot to
channel.
digest.
Have
And
you
thank
joined
you
the
for
channel?
joining me
What are
on
you
the
waiting for?
debut
It's just a few
Wall
dollars to
Street
become a
Live
member.
on LA3.
It's just a few dollars to become a
And
member,
if you're
and you could be
watching
holding
LA
all
3 o'clock. Coming up
these
tonight on
incredible
Evenings
informations
LA on
in your
LA1
hand.
is the
Then
primetime show
go into that
that
incredible
we're
membership
talking about.
newsletter and start
LA
grabbing these incredible
LA
checks.
evenings at
Let's go over
5
how this
Pacific
works,
time, 8
starting right
Eastern
now.
Standard Time.
Step 1,
As
go into the video,
promised,
join the
LA2
channel.
and LA3
Step
will
2,
be rolling out
go to this
brand new
website,
shows. This is
news.la.com/newsletter.
You're going to
That
see
website is at the
programming
top of
coming
the
to
chat,
LA3.
the pinned
You're
comment,
going to see humor
and the
sort of
description
rolling
of this
into
video.
Late and Blank
That's
Success
the
coming to
newsletter.
LA2.
The newsletter is
Some
at
retro
news.la.com/newsletter.
and some brand
Top of the
new
chat,
as
the pinned
well.
comment, and the
Plus,
description
on
of this video.
LA2, you have
It's a password-protected newsletter website, and the password is sent from me to you on every
Thank you for
post
joining me on
that is
this
posted all throughout the day
groundbreaking
on the channel in which
day.
you became a member.
3 live shows.
So you're watching this show
airing
Evenings
at the
LA
same time. If you
at 6
like
o'clock,
this, join it
5 o'clock,
at about
5:30. It'll
8
say,
a.m.
hey, there's a new show,
Pacific
Evenings LA,
Standard
airing
Time
right now.
and
Current
11
password.
Time. For the short
Here it
Santa Monica,
is.
California, God
There you
bless.
go.
Stay
It's that
informed, stay
simple.
focused.
As soon as a
And
new video is
stay
going out, I get
with
to send you
LA.
an alert. Brand new password. The password is updated daily at about 9 a.m. Sent out to you throughout the day. Almost sent out almost 100 times per day. Grab that password. Go right into that password protected newsletter. ABC. You can start it. Because this is the primetime show, we're going to go to the other stimulus check right now. Stimulus check R is a lot of money. Stimulus check R is a lot of money. It's the employee tax retention credit. And if you had an employee on staff when the pandemic hit in 2019 and kept them on staff in 2020, and at least one of the quarters of 2021 were getting paid an insane amount of money.
This
And all the details of that money is in that membership newsletter. It's the employee tax retention
And
credit.
it's a big
an insane
afternoon
amount
of
money. It could be, in
Afternoons
some
LA
cases,
with
over
the series
$500,000.
debut of Afternoons
Become a member. It's in the newsletter, and also reach out
as
to
your
Tax
big
Care, which
brand
explains
new
this
Wall
stupid
Street
money
Live
to you.
on the brand new channel.
Unemployment
LA3.
stimulus.
How are you? Good morning
And PBT checks.
to Americans across the land.
Only on
According,
our
we're
evening
going to go
shows.
over the breaking
Let's go with those
news
right
of
now.
massive news stimulus.
First, unemployment.
Resignation of Nancy Pelosi.
If you are a
to the
W-2
House and the
employee
brand
who has
new
been
news on those
fired
corporate earnings
anytime
that came
recently,
in
what do you
that
do?
shocked the markets
Step 2,
today
step
and
1,
yesterday
file the
includes
claim.
Target with a
File the
major
claim with
miss.
your State's Department of
Kohl's
Unemployment.
with a major miss
It'll
today
ask
as
you
well.
3
Walmart
questions.
beating, Lowe's beating.
Were you a
Yet the Fed
W-2
governor's
employee
not
who
agreeing
has
on
been
much of
fired?
anything. We have
Answer
breaking
yes.
news minutes ago as a brand new Fed governor gave us different
W-2
guidance
employee
than
fired.
daily.
Date you're fired,
And
put it in.
Waller yesterday.
That is actually
His
willing to
name
work?
today is
Yes.
Blue
Able to
Hawk.
work?
The latest
Yes.
details on
Done.
the impact of that
That's
on the markets. The Dow
Date
is
you're
up
fired,
a
willing to work,
relatively
able to
well
work,
at the moment.
Bet you're not telling what was there. Now it's going to have you go through a series of questions thereafter. And there's a series of questions thereafter going to ask you to indicate what happened after you got fired. And it's going to do what something's called certify for benefits. So it's going to start at the day in which you're fired and bring you up to the present.
Whether the Federal Reserve is done
1 week
with
at a time.
interest rate spikes or whether they are not.
Bring it all the way
And whether the Federal Reserve
and keep on doing to you up to the present.
point to a 50 basis
You can stop
point
and take a break and go back and continue it. When you go back to the time of course, we've never done this before. There's a lot of money. If it's 15 weeks, it's a lot of money. It's your unemployment stimulus, and it's law.
The stores,
PBT checks all coming up tonight's stimulus is
data that Wall